Assalamu alaikum viewers. I hope all of are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I want to show you a project create system with Flutter. How to create project on Flutter. At first we have to go this PC. Then you have to choose any drive to create a Flutter project. I want to create a Flutter project in my new volume F. Then you have to hold on the shift key from keyboard, then click the mouse right button, open PowerShell window here, click on the here, then you have to write a command flutter create, then your project name. As usual I am write my YouTube channel name Tech Leaders. Here is no space, you can use underscore or anything. I can use underscore then leaders. You have to follow these odds are not be upper class, must be a small class. I have a existed project Tech Leaders, so I have used different on, then enter. Sometimes later all done. My Flutter project is already created. If you want to make sure your project is ready, but you can check it. If you want to make sure your project is created correctly, write a command flutter doctor, then enter. Sometimes later flutter doctor gives us the result. No issue found. So your project is created correctly. Now I am going to a Visual Studio Code, then open folder. My project create drive F, then Tech Leaders on, select. Here is my project. Library main dot is default. Now you can code here and make any app, but main project create system is it is. That's it for today. Thank you so much. Please like, comment, share this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.